I know that's the hit on a hot summer day. Oh yeah. Yeah. What do you guys think it is? Yo, that looks so good. The eyes, the big straws are the best. Yo. Okay, honestly, that looks pretty good. Yo. Yo, now I want wings. Now I want wings, yeah. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little skeptical of street vending. I don't know, I just feel like I would get sick. And food-borne illnesses are the worst. Look at that. I mean, it looks good, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, dude, like I said, though, it's like, they look good, but I honestly, I don't know. If I knew it was very sanitary, which they're using gloves here, then, you know, I honestly would probably try this one specifically.